So this is my 2020 CRC COPO. Runs in the 7s with a turbo 400, 350 cubic inch motor, chasing line trans.
We trap that.
It runs 787, which is best.
Welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars. Please enjoy the next video.
How you doing? So I'm Rick. This is my 2020 CRC COPO, number 404. You tell me where you want to go.
Sure. You know what? Tell me how you found this car.
So a friend of mine had this car in Indiana. He ordered it in 2020. It has a 350. It's an FSS super stock class.
Okay.
That's what the car ran in NHRA.
Okay.
For 2 years. Then they took it out.
Wow. And you know what? Before we look at the engine, I just want to kind of go through what you have. In other words, let's start with the tires. And then...
just Hoosiers with the race stars on the front and back.
Okay.
The chassis came like this from Chevrolet.
Okay.
It's a factory certified race chassis from Chevy. That's how you bought the car.
Nice.
And then when you buy this car, you have to put your own motor, your own trans, your own rear end.
Wow.
So it has the 350 supercharged motor with the 400 turbo trans.
Okay.
With the Ford 9-inch.
Nice. And then, so how difficult was it to get this type of car?
Well, it's hard because there was only 4 made in 2020.
Right.
It's not the regular COPO.
So how long did you take to get?
Well, the guy originally ordered. I didn't order it new.
Right.
He ordered it, but it took me a year and a half to work out a deal with him.
Right. I bet this is really sweet. And then the talk about these rear tires. Do you know what size they are by chance?
So that's a 9-inch tire. That's allowed in this class only. You can't have anything bigger than 9-inch tire. A 350 cubic inch motor.
Okay.
There's a lot of rules to this class.
Right. Wow. That is sweet. And then come on back over here and tell the viewers what we have going on here.
So this is all factory from Chevy. It came with the parachute, the wheelie bar. It comes with all the setup in the trunk, the 5-gallon fuel cell. That's the weight tray. Comes with 2 batteries.
Right.
There's no alternator on this car.
Okay.
It's strictly run off batteries.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And this is actually a true plate, Illinois plate, CRC COPO.
That is cool. And then the drag chute, the wheelie bars.
Yep, it's all stock factory.
And I bet this car is just amazing to drive.
Oh yeah, it's fun.
You know?
It's insane loud.
And then, but while we're back here, do you deploy that chute?
Sure, at the end of the quarter.
All the time? Every time?
Yeah. It slows it down a lot.
Wow. And when you're at the end of that quarter, what are the speeds that you're going at?
Usually 150 something. It runs 787.
Okay.
That's what its best was, a 787.
Wow. And then are these wheelie bars ever engaged?
Oh yeah, I got pictures of it.
Do you really?
Yeah, it comes up pretty good, 3 feet high.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. And then what track do you like to race at?
Well, we're gonna go to 41. Starting next year. We're putting another engine in it, 427.
Are you really? Okay. That is sweet. And then before we open up the hood, I just want to get a look at this front end. I mean, that looks daunting, doesn't it?
Yeah. Crazy car, actually. I mean, like I said, there's only 4 made.
Right.
Of this style.
Right.
Which makes it pretty unique.
And look at the size of this scoop.
Yeah, all factory. It's a COPO hood. That's the way it comes, basically.
Wow. That is absolutely sweet. And is it all anything carbon fiber to reduce the weight?
The hood, the class that it was in factory super stock. There's a lot of rules. The hood's the only thing you could have. Everything else is steel.
Okay. For protection.
Correct.
And all that stuff. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Great. All right. So now we do the unveil.
Of the
the hood. Oh my gosh. Okay.
And that is a 350 cubic inch LSX built by Hendrix Motorsports.
Nice.
That's what the Clash can't go any bigger than the 350.
Right. Is that a twin screw right there?
No, that is just a Magnuson blower. Twin screw's the big boy.
Okay, okay. That's nice. That's nice.
And you can only have this big of a blower for this class.
Okay. And do you know how big that the CFM?
That's a 2.0.
Okay. And tell the viewers what we have going on here. What are we looking at?
That's our coils.
Okay.
All Holley. It's got the Holley Dominator set up with the race pack.
Nice, nice.
All the shocks all censored for the height. You know. If you look at the exhaust, each one's got it sends information back to the race pack.
Right, right, sure. And then we have, what is going on here?
This is the coolant. This is the cooler for the supercharger.
Okay.
You fill this baby with ice before every run,
Nice.
like a bag of ice at least.
Nice.
It melts it pretty quick.
Sure. And now with the car has so much power and torque, and it can do a wheelie. Do you ever have a need to put a weight in front at all?
Well, yeah, there's spots for weights, but for the class, no, you can only put it in the trunk.
Gotcha. Okay, and so what are we looking at right over here?
This is how you cool it. It's called a chili willy.
Okay.
You hook a machine up to it and sucks all the water out and cools it, which, you know, helps it get ready for the next round.
Sure. And what type of intercooler or radiator, fork core?
No intercooler. This is the only cooler it's got. It's got a regular radiator, a 4-core. It runs on C20.
Okay. And
12.5 to 1 compression.
Tell the viewers what C20 is.
C20 is an expensive race fuel.
Okay. There you go. There you go. And then electronics over here.
This is your computer. This is the fuses.
Nice.
Pretty basic, but yet a lot of technical stuff in here.
Right. That is, and then you have a breather going on back there.
Yeah,
that's
just the oil. Yeah.
Okay.
That's just breathing the motor. That's where the oil goes. The catch can.
Sure. And do you have any sponsors? Do you have?
No. This is just for fun. We do this for fun. That's it. So everything in here is factory. When we bought the car when it was bought from Chevy, that's how it comes with the CRC. The certified cage and everything comes factory from Chevy.
Right.
And if you look at the VIN, it says number 4, CRC right here. That's, you know, that tells you what it actually is.
Sure. What an exciting sport. And what kind of RPM are you doing when you're
8,000.
8,000. Wow. And then what about engine oil? What kind of oil are you using for this?
Just Mobil 1, good stuff. And then, like I said, it runs on C20. And then it's powered by 2 batteries, no alternator, 1600s.
Right.
So it's a 16-volt system.
Sure.
And then this is where you put the weight.
Okay.
And then underneath there's a spot as well.
Gotcha. That is so sweet. The viewers are going to love it.
Go ahead.
George Ginkarski, 38 Chevy Master Deluxe. The next trophy is going to be the Sons of the American Legion's pick.
I seen her walk. I seen her
We walked a lot, and what we came up with was Gary.
Number 11. Oh, James Huff again.
real piston.
Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe.
You really should subscribe to US Classic Muscle Cars, Tom's Aviation, Shapely Fitness, and My Perfect Dark Green Lawn.